Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this Father's Day card using some scraps. I made this card similar to the gift box that I made last week Monday on my live stream. As y'all can see, this was the finished product. I didn't finish it online because I was running out of time. So guys, you can add your treats inside of this, chocolate, candies, whatever you like. So here you have it. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. So these are the scraps that I have left over from designer paper that I used to make the gift box, and I have some from the card base that I use as well, and some other scrap papers that I used recently. These are the die set that I used to make the sediments for the card. So here you have it. So this right here is a piece of cardstock that I glued these designer paper down onto. I glued the designer paper down onto them because they are really thin and I want to give them some more thickness. These are the finished products. So this is my card base. So this card base is 5 by 7 inches. So right here I'm just adding a piece of white cardstock onto my card base. I will place the measurement on the screen for you guys, for those who want to use my measurements. Right here I'm just gluing these designer paper down. So this piece of paper strips came from the card base that I cut off. So I'm just gluing it right down on top of the designer paper. And then I cut the excess. So right here I added some foam tape onto the back of the circle so that I can have some pop to it, give it some dimension. Then I add it to the card. And right here I'm just adding the neck paper strips onto the other side of the designer paper, but then I cut off the excess. This is a piece of white cardstock and I will place the measurements onto the screen for you guys. All those pieces of card that I use to make this card. So right there I'm just gluing these down onto the larger piece of cardstock so that I can attach it onto my card base. There I have some more scraps. And I also cut those up with some scrap as well, as y'all can see right here. Here is the extra piece that I got off from the card base as well, from the top portion of the card. And I cut out some ox using my ox die set that I got from BB Craft, and I ended up placing it on the wrong way, but I didn't change it. I just let it stay because it means the same thing, I guess. Hugs and kisses, that's what it means. So I just leave it just like that. Right here I'm just cutting these strips off so that I can glue on the arts onto them. And now it's time to glue these arts onto the pieces of strips that I cut off, and I will be placing these inside the back of the ox. It's a simple way how to make a card, a pop-up card, and make it have a little more pop to it instead of just the blank on the inside. Make a little surprise. So guys, this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. I might have a giveaway for this gift box and this card, so look out for that video in the future.